Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best Vantrue dashcam in this video? I will show you the top 5 best Vantrue dashcams to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Vantrue N5S. Specifications: brand name, Vantrue. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 158 degree plus 160 degree plus 160 degree plus 158 degree. Camera resolution, 2592 by 1944. Number of lenses, 4. Imaging sensor, Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3:5. Assembly mode, portable recorder. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Warranty 18 months. Number 4 is Vantrue S1 Pro. Specifications: brand name, Vantrue. Display, IPS. Aperture, f1.8. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 155 degrees plus 155 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 2. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3" Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Interface, SD, MMC, micro SD, TF, Bluetooth. Warranty 18 months. As the item number 3 we've selected, Vantrue E2. Specifications: brand name, Vantrue. Display, IPS. View angle, 160 degrees. Camera resolution, 2592 by 1944. Max external memory, 512 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX323. Pixels, 300 mega. Display size, 2.45 inches. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Warranty 18 months. Weight, 960 grams. Number 2 is Vantrue N5. Specifications: brand name, Vantrue. Display, IPS. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Max external memory, 512 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 4. Display size, 3:5. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Warranty, 12 months. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Vantrue E360. Specifications: brand name, Vantrue. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 360 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Display, IPS. Interface, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, micro SD, TF. Warranty 18 months. Weight, 614 grams.